So in this question, we have a 3-gram copper penny with a positive charge of 32 microcoulombs, and we have to find the fraction of electrons it has lost. So these are the information we will need. So this is the molecular weight of copper, atomic number of copper, and this is our Avogadro's number. Now, to find the total charge lost or fraction of charge lost, we have to find the initial charge of this copper penny. So, to find that, we need the total number of electrons in it, and to find the total number of electrons, we need to find the total number of atoms, because we know that one atom of copper has 29 electrons. And to find the total number of atoms, we need to find the total number of moles. So let's start with finding the total number of moles in this penny. So you know that this is the molecular weight of copper. So total number of moles will be the mass of copper over the molecular weight of copper. And so the total number of atoms will be, let's say this as Na, will be my number of moles times Avogadro's number, because one mole has Na number of atoms. So total number of atoms in the penny will be M over del M times the Avogadro number. Now each atom of copper has 29 electrons. So total number of electrons will be the total number of atoms times the number of electrons in each atom of copper. So this will be M times Na over capital M times 29. Now each electron has a charge of 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs, which means that the total charge Q, say in the copper penny, will be the total number of electrons times the charge in each electron. So this will be 29 times 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb over the molecular weight of copper. And this gives me, so we have our M, small m, the mass of the copper, the Avogadro's number, and molecular weight of copper. So we plug all those values in this equation, and we get the total charge on the copper will be 1.32 times 10 to the power 5 coulomb. Now we have to find the fraction of charge lost. So this is our initial charge. This is our final charge of copper. So the fraction of charge lost will be the charge now over the charge before. And this will give me 2.4 times 10 to the power minus 10. This is our answer.